In this sponsored video, I'm going to show you the easy way to make 3 Denver omelets. Now the problem with making a Denver omelet is the smallness of the size for your vegetables, both the onion, the bell pepper, and also the ham. But I have a secret weapon that's going to make it fast and convenient, and that is the Fullstar vegetable chopper, which I use for any of my chopping needs. After we wash our Fullstar vegetable chopper in the top rack of the dishwasher, we store it like this, with the blade not inserted and the pusher not there. Take the blade out, insert it, and lock it down. Now it won't come out, help your fingers. And the pusher goes in the top. And now you're ready to go. Softer foods like ham can get stuck in the pusher, so it's beneficial to cover your softer foods with a harder vegetable if you're doing ham. And this way, with a few taps, you can get most of it through without getting stuck. But when food gets stuck in here, don't worry. They give you a tool to help you take it out. And a few light taps before one bell pepper, half of an onion, 12 ounces of ham. In a standard Denver omelet, you have 6 ounces of cheddar cheese. Since we don't like cheddar, we're going with Colby Jack. A nice medium-high heat, 1 tablespoon of butter. Add an even layer of chopped ingredients into the pan. Add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. Cook until caramelized. While caramelizing, beat 2 to 3 eggs. After it's cooked, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add in the beaten egg. Stir the omelet around and even out the vegetables. Top with cheddar cheese and a sprinkle of pepper, cayenne pepper. Let the cheese melt and fold into a plate. And now let's taste our Denver omelets.
It's pretty good. A lot of flavor. I usually don't like omelets, but this one's okay.
I don't make omelets very often, but this one is really good. Of course, I loaded it with ham and bell pepper and onion and the cheese. They mix together very well. There's also that cayenne spice, which really kind of gets that back of the throat burning. A little bit, just a little bit. Absolutely wonderful omelet. Make it just the way we said. You know what would make this omelet even better? Some salsa. And if you want to learn how to make this great pico de gallo, then you gotta check out this link right over here.